SIG stock, is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out, because I'm giving you my arguments and my exact play. Let's get right into it. We came exactly in a demand zone with Signet Jewelers stock. Signet Jewelers limited stock sitting at 92 and 22. It's like 15% down for the day. And that was really hard, you know, it was a hard hit. Out of nowhere, boom, then went down. I'm still particularly bullish with SIG stock. But let me just show you how I would approach this. So I was waiting for like another second type of confirmation here. Yeah, that would work. So what I mean by here, I just want to see a full candle close above this line with a, you know, the opposite candle, which is the green one. And if that happens, I mean, I'm fine to go. Very aggressive break even as well, so I'm still waiting, you know, it still hasn't happened yet, so I'm going to keep you updated. Just for context, I'm using my strategy that's previously given me thousands of wins. Want to learn it for free? Check out the first link in the description.